Good afternoon, everyone. All keep hands on your lap and get ready for the prayer. Dear God, we praise and thank you for this beautiful day. Keep this day a special day for us so that whatever topics are taught to us, we are able to learn them and revise them and make us interesting for us. Dear God, keep your loving hand on each one of us. All will say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, my dear students, today we will start with a new chapter, Why Do We Fall Ill? So I will share my screen with you. Every child is able to see the screen. Yes. I will start with the first topic. What is the definition of health? What is health? Amrit Kaur, unmute yourself, beta. Amrit Kaur. I will try my best to give chance to all the girls. So please unmute yourself faster, then only we can do. Amrit, I am giving you permission and you are not unmuting. Anviksha Sharma. Amrit, have you unmuted? Yes. I'm able to see that you have unmuted. Okay, Anviksha also has done. Disturbance should not be there, beta. Amrit, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak loudly. Anviksha, you also unmute yourself. Faster. Fine. Okay, Amrit. Please see what is given, what definition, what word is written there. Which definition we have to study today?
Health is the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity.
It is keep your mouth in front of the mic. Your voice is coming very slow. Keep your mouth in front of the mic. Okay, once again, Amrit, health is a
Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity.
infirmity. Okay, Anviksha, can you repeat the definition? What important words are given in health? How we can keep ourselves healthy? Healthy, some words are given here. Which particular words are given?
Physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease.
Okay, now what is physical? That means our physique should be fit and fine. Mentally means our brain should work properly. Social well-being means how we are interacting with others. So the definition of health is a state of complete, when we are completely physically fit, mentally fit, and socially we are fit, and not merely the absence of disease. It's not there that we are not having disease. Sometimes we will have, but physically, mental, and socially we are fit and fine. That person is, we call that person a healthy person. So this is the definition of health. Okay, Arshpreet, unmute yourself. I've given you permission. Arshpreet. So slow 9th standard is now. I don't know what to do with them.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. At once it is on the screen only, na beta. It takes only just 1 minute. Aisha Iqbal, you also unmute yourself. Aisha Iqbal. Faster. Permission is given. Okay. Bhavika Dubey, unmute yourself. Bhavika, unmute yourself. Faster, girls, 9th standard. Bhavika, why you people are not listening? Not Aisha is not listening. Bhavika is not listening. I am writing the names and they will give me the reason why they have not unmuted themselves. Bhumika Roda, sorry, Bhumi Roda. Unmute yourself. Faster. You people just keep them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the definition we have? There on the screen.
Health is a state of completing physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of diseases or interference.
Infirmity. Infirmity means related to diseases. So which definition? Health definition. Which definition?
Health definition.
Definition. We have to start with the topic now. Why do we fall ill? So we have started with the definition. What is the definition of a healthy person? It's
Okay,
so
ma'am.
all I've done in the previous classes also. So I will share my next screen with you now. Okay, Bhumi, fine. Devjit, unmute yourself. Devjit, unmute yourself faster, beta. Within a second, I want, so that we can continue further with the next topic. Devjit, are you there? Unmute yourself. I'm writing the names today, and you will give me the reason why you people are not unmuting yourself. Okay, Gurbani, unmute yourself. Gurbani,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to see
Yes,
my
ma'am.
screen I have shared now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is written? That some topic is written there, na, where I put my cursor. What is the topic?
Significance of health.
Okay, 1 minute. Gurmeet, you also unmute. Gurmeet, unmute.
Ma'am.
Fine. So, Gurbani, you start from here. Health is a state of. Please start from here.
Okay, ma'am. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. For a healthy life cycle, person needs to have a balanced diet, has to take exercise, lives in a proper shelter, takes enough sleep, have good hygiene.
Okay, wait. Now, what is the significance of health? What is the importance of health? The person has to be physically, mentally, and socially fit. And for the healthy life cycle, and if you have to live healthy, person has to eat balanced food, which you have done in smaller classes: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and has to do exercise regularly to keep fit and fine, need proper shelter, they has to take proper sleep, and has to be hygienic. As you grow, you know, the reaching the age of adolescence, hygiene is very important. Okay, I have unmuted Gurbani and the next participant. What? Please say your name.
Ma'am Hargun.
Huh?
Ma'am Hargun.
Argun. Okay, bache, read the first point.
The health of all organisms will depend on their surrounding or their environment. Our social environment is an important factor in our individual health.
Okay, wait a second, beta. Now, what is written for the health? What is the importance of health? The health depends on the surrounding. If we are healthy, our surrounding and our environment has to be clean. Then only we all the organisms can become the healthy person. And a social environment, how we are interacting now. You know what a particular virus is there. All are suffering from that problem. So socially and their environment and surrounding has to be clean. So this is the important factor for the individual. Means single person has to take care of the surroundings, the social environment, everything, and then only the person can be healthy. Okay, one is Harsheen and one is Harsheen Kaur. So Harsheen Kaur, unmute yourself. Harsheen Kaur, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
To see the second point.
Yes. Public cleanliness is important for individual health. If no agency is assuring that garbage is collected and disposed, if no one takes responsibility of clearing the drains, if there are heap of garbage and trash littered here and there, if there is open drain, water lying stagnant around, the possibility of poor health increases.
So what is given? When the public cleanliness, public means outside the surroundings are there. That is also important for our health. Individual means single person health. And if the garbage is thrown there and we have to see who is collecting or it is collected or not, and the drains are opened, if opened they are clean or not, garbage is thrown, if it is littered here and there, all these things have to be seen. And if there is open drain, water lying stagnant, if the stagnant water is there, then the mosquitoes and flies will breed in that water, which is the serious problem. And as you know, as the weather is changing, this problem will arise in this weather only. Dengue, malaria, all can arise, and which is the possibility of poor health. The health becomes poor and it will increase. Okay, Harjot, unmute yourself. Harjot, unmute yourself, beta. I've given you permission. Janveen, unmute yourself. Faster, girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta. Are you able to see the third point given on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third point?
Ma'am, we need food for health, and food will have to earn by doing work. For this opportunity to do work has to be available. Good economic conditions and jobs are therefore needed for individual health.
Yes, now if you have to eat balanced diet, what is important? The person, now you know your parents, they are working, they are earning for you, and you are getting all the necessities of your life. So they are saying for good health, the work is needed and the work is available, the jobs are available, then only our economic condition will be better, and it depends upon the individual health. Individually, you are responsible to take care of your health if you are earning and eating proper food. Okay. Lavanya, unmute yourself. Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the fourth point.
We need to be happy in order to be truly healthy.
Louder, little louder.
We need to be happy in order to be truly healthy. If we mistreat each other and are afraid of each other, we cannot be healthy or happy. Social equality and harmony are important for individual health.
Now for individual health, which thing is very important? Social equality, how socially we are equally thinking, all are equal. Don't think she is rich, she is poor, or she is not looking good or all that. We all have to think all are equal. And harmony, harmony means peaceful atmosphere. These are very important things for the individual health. Okay. Marisha Rajput, unmute yourself. Marisha, unmute yourself. Faster,
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
faster. Okay. Mriganka, unmute yourself. Okay, Marisha, can you explain me any significance of health which is there on the screen? Which thing is important for the significance of health? Any one point? It is on the screen, you explain from there.
Mom, health is really important for a person. So, like, health helps.
Depends on the environment or the socially how we are interacting with others, but it is there on the screen, na? And very easy points are given. Okay, fine.
Health depends on the cleanliness around us.
Yes.
It depends on our social status and social behavior too.
Yes, fine. Okay, beta. Wait. Rovneet, unmute yourself. Rovneet, unmute yourself. Unmute. I'm giving you permission. Unmute. This class is so lazy, and today I'm copying the name, writing the names, which girls are not unmuting themselves, and they have just entered the classroom for the attendance. Rimjim Khajuria, unmute yourself. Rimjim. Rovneet, video is on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rovneet also has unmuted herself. Okay, Rimjim.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
the significance of health. What is the importance of health?
If we have a good health, we can work physically, mentally, and socially well.
Yes.
Ma'am, in our day-to-day life, we need a proper and good health, and for that, we need good environment and good balanced diet.
Okay, beta. Fine. Rovneet, are you there? Unmuted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
significance?
Ma'am, public cleanliness is important for individual health. If no agency is ensuring that garbage is collected and disposed, if no one takes responsibility of cleaning the drains, if there are heap of garbage and trash littered here and there, if there is open drain water lying stagnant around, the possibility of poor health increases.
So stagnant around days means the water which is collected and kept for many days, and that water is harmful
Yes.
because all the microorganism will breed in that water. Okay. Shivangi Rena, unmute yourself. Shivangi Rena. I don't know what you people are doing, putting on the class and then sleeping. I don't know. Sneha, unmute yourself. Sneha, unmute yourself. I've given you permission. Sumrin, unmute yourself. I'm writing the names, those who are not unmuting. Sumrin, unmute yourself. Faster. Suruchika, unmute yourself. Suruchika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Tejal, unmute yourself. Tejal. Yes.
ma'am.
Very good, Tejal. Just wait a second. Okay. Now I will stop sharing my screen. Just give me a second. We'll go to the whiteboard and we will revise the few topics which we have done. Just give me a second. You're able to see the whiteboard? Say yes or no. Those are unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, I will write one question and you please give me the answer. Okay. WHAT. What are the ADVANTAES? 1 minute. Advantages of CLASSIFYING. Classifying organisms. ORGANISM. Organisms. Are you able to read the question? Before Tejal, I have unmuted one more girl. Now, please say your name.
I'm Sruchika.
Ruchika, are you able to read the question? Please read the question from the screen.
What are the advantages of classifying organisms?
Yes. What are the advantages of classifying? Why we are classifying the organisms? Can you give me one answer? If the things are classified, what becomes easy for us? Tejal, are you able to give me the answer? Tejal, are you there? Tejal has muted herself. Tejal, unmute yourself. Unmute, I've given you permission. Faster, beta, fast. So
Yes,
much.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, are you able to see the question on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Advantages of classifying organisms. Why do we classify the organism?
It helps the environmentalists to develop new methods of
Yes, that also. And what else?
conservation of plants and animals.
Conservation also. Anything else? Okay, just give me a second.
It helps in the identification of
Okay, fine.
living organisms.
Okay, wait. Vartika, unmute yourself. Vartika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to give me the answer? What are the advantages of classifying organisms? Why do we classify organisms?
Yes, ma'am. When we classify organisms, so whenever we have to read and study all their characteristics and all, so we can study it more easily.
Yes, it makes the study of the organisms very easy for us. Otherwise, all are together, how we will study it? It becomes difficult. Yes, Arshia, unmute yourself. Arshia Rajput,
Yes, ma'am.
1 point, beta.
Ma'am, it tells us about the interrelationship among the various organisms.
Yes, how the other organisms are interrelated. It also explains that. Good. Ekamdeep, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, give me any 1 point. Disturbance should not be there, bache. You are saying something, but I am not able to understand.
It helps to understand the evolution of organisms.
Not able to, your voice is not clear, bache. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, Pearl Manchanda, unmute yourself. Pearl Manchanda, unmute. Okay, beta, give 1 point.
It helps us to understand the evaluation of organisms.
Yes, it helps us to understand the evolution, how the organisms evolved, how the organism came on the earth. We are able to understand from that only. Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Real Rajput, unmute yourself, beta. Real, unmute. Faster, bache, you have to do it faster. Ipshita Mahajan, unmute. Real, give me 1 point. What are the advantages of classifying organisms? She has muted herself. Ipshita, are you there? Unmute yourself. I have given you permission. I am revising for your sake only. Adya Sharma, unmute yourself. Adya. 9th standard is very lazy. I don't know what they have decided for themselves, not to study or what to do. I don't know. One name is coming, Android. Please unmute yourself. And who is that participant? Give me your name. Faster. What's your name? One is Garima Bedi. Garima Bedi, unmute yourself. Faster, girls, faster. We don't have so much of time. Okay. Janveen, unmute yourself. Janveen. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Can you give me any 1 point of the advantages of classifying organisms? Faster. Fast, girls.
Ma'am, by this we can know about different species of organisms.
We know different species means different varieties of the organisms. How organisms are evolved, we come to know. We come to know about the wide variety of organisms, which become very easy for us. Good. Very good. Those who are studying, they are able to give the answer. Now I'm writing one more question. Just give me a second. Division. Division. Okay, fine. Kavita, unmute yourself. Kavita, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the question which is there on the screen.
What are the major division in the plantae?
Yes, Manvi Rajput, you also unmute yourself by the time. Yes, please give me the major divisions in the plantae. Plantae means plants. We have done so many types of plants there, divisions of plants. So can you name any?
Thallophyta.
Yes.
Thallophyta.
Yes, beta, I will write 1 minute. Do you know the spelling of Thallophyta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
THALLOPHYTA.
HYTA. Okay, I've written on the screen. Second spelling. Give me
Bryophyta.
Bryophyta. Okay, B R
RY.
Y O. Bryo. Then P.
PHYTA.
Very good. Thank you, bache. Thank you very much. Okay. Mannat Angral, unmute yourself. Faster, girls. Faster, Mannat Angral. I have given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me other names, bache.
Ma'am, gymnosperm.
Yes, very good. Very good. 1 minute. I will write the spellings. Please give me the spellings. G.
GYMNO.
Yes. S P
NNOSTERMS.
M S. Very good. Hellophyta, Bryophyta, gymnosperms. Other name, any other name?
Angiosperms.
Yes, very good. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yashika Sharma, by the time you unmute yourself. Okay, angiosperm. Say the spelling. Can you give me the spelling of angiosperms?
Yes, ma'am. ANGIOSPERMS.
SPERM. Angiosperms. Yes, very good. Tanisha Jambal, unmute yourself. Tanisha Jambal. Unmute, girls, please. Faster. So lazy people are there in 8th standard, 9th standard here now. Suhani Sharma, unmute yourself. Suhani. You people have joined the
Yes.
class for this formality. Okay, Suhani. Any one more name? Say the 4 names which are there on the screen.
Hellophyta, Bryophyta, gymnosperms, angiosperms.
And the last name, do you know the name? Last name? I will write the spelling and you please.
Petridophyta.
Petridophyta. Petridophyta. PTERIO. Petrito. PHYTA. Please say the spelling from the screen. 1 minute. He's missing 1 minute. 1 minute, beta. We have tried D here. Petridophyta. Okay. Say the spelling now, beta.
PTERIDOPHYTA.
Yes. Okay. Good. So how many types of major divisions are there in Plantae?
5.
Yes. Good. Sneha, unmute yourself. Sneha, unmute yourself. I have written the names, those who are not unmuting themselves. I came to know that you people are not in the class. Shivangi, Sumren, Sneha, Devjit, Bhavika, Aisha. Just for attendance, you are there in the class. What you people will study? Kritika Sharma, unmute yourself. Kritika Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, just give me a second. I will just clean that screen. Okay. We have done one question.
Yes,
Vertebrate classification. Explain how animals in vertebrate are classified. Do you know what is the meaning of vertebrate? Bacha, do you know the meaning of vertebrates? Tell me, I will explain. No, don't take attention there.
No, ma'am.
Vertebrates are, word is written here, I will write that word. VERTE. BRATA. Vertebrata means those who have backbone. So there are some animals, those who are having backbone, and they are further classified into subgroups. That was page 213, sixth question. So in that, the answer you have written about Pisces, amphibia. You know what is Pisces?
Yes, ma'am.
PIS.
Yes, ma'am. Fishes.
Yes. When we study about fish,
Yes,
tuna, rohu, shark, and these are animals which are living in water.
water.
And their body is what? They are having special feature. What is that very important feature?
Ma'am, gills, scales, plates.
More is there. Streamline body.
Yes, ma'am.
Streamline. 1 minute. 1 minute. Line body. Very good. Thank you, Bache, for giving the answer. Come and ask. Unmute yourself, Bhumika. Unmute yourself, beta. Faster, girls, faster. So slow, my
Yes,
classes.
ma'am.
I don't know what to do with them. Yes, Bhumika.
Yes.
Can you
Yes,
give me any
ma'am.
other type of vertebrae? You have heard about amphibians? Have you heard about amphibians?
Yes, ma'am.
What are amphibians? Those who live on land and water. And which, can you give
Yes,
me an
ma'am.
example? Which are the animals who live on land and water?
Land and water.
Frogs, toads.
Yes, ma'am.
They are having lungs also. They are having gills also. So that to breathe on land, lungs are used. When they have to remain in water, gills are used.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, 1 minute. Just give me a second. One minute so that I can unmute one participant. Devjit, are you able to unmute yourself? Please unmute yourself. Devjit, faster.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me any one more type of this one vertebrata there? Pisces I have written, amphibians I have written. Have you heard about reptilia? Have you heard about this word? Just 1 minute. I will write it here. reptilia. Have you heard about this word?
Ma'am, reptilia.
Yes, reptilia. What are these? These are reptiles. So what is the work of these reptiles?
Ma'am, reptiles.
Where do you find these reptiles, beta?
Ma'am, these reptiles are like
Crawling on land, creeping on the walls.
ma'am, snakes.
Yes, snakes you can say. You can say lizards, turtles. And they're having particular skin on their body so that water should not be lost from their body. And the last word is in this is aves, A-V-E-S. Devjit, can you see this word on the screen? Aves. Okay, aves are the birds like sparrow, pigeon, crow. So we have done in this question how animals in vertebrate are classified into further subgroups. That is Pisces, amphibians, amphibia we write, reptilia and aves. Okay, fine. I will stop sharing my screen now. Okay. I will unmute all. Anybody wants to ask anything? Anybody wants to ask anything? Any child wants to ask anything? Understood what we have done? We have done two
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am, Aves, ma'am,
say your name, beta.
ma'am, Rimjim.
Rimjim, just wait a second, beta. Say what you want to say.
Ma'am, that Aves, they have written that flight possible. Ma'am, what does that mean?
Flight possible means they are able to fly. In the aves, we are talking about
Okay.
birds. Okay. In aves, what we are talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Birds. So,
Birds.
what they do?
Ma'am, lay eggs.
Yes, they lay eggs as well as
Yes,
what else they
ma'am.
do? 1 minute. They lay eggs and what else they do? They're having feathers.
Yes, ma'am. That is why they fly.
Yes, and forelimbs which are modified to fly. Forelimbs is the frontal part. There, na? The claws which help them to fly. Understood, beta? Anything you want to ask?
Ma'am, thank you.
Okay, beta. Bye, everyone. Bye to all.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.